Good morning everyone, so we're doing another Bulova watch review. So let's get right on to it, shall we? So initial look at the box, we've got a simple white outside cover, just covering over that Bulova box, revealing a nicely styled Bulova engraved box. Simple fold out lid with a nice little pulley here just to reveal that watch. So simple lift off lid and a folding bottom. Inside we've got the actual cushion that holds it in place, held in like a brown beigey sort of style box. Does look a little bit beigey under the light. So here we go guys, it's the Bulova Moon Star. So it's a 44mm case diameter with a 12mm case thickness, so it's sort of average size really. Retails at £260, weighs 120 grams and uses a quartz movement. That's a bit better for the lighting. So, have a look at the face here. So the face, we've got a stopwatch and a 24-hour readout. You know, got the chronograph here to operate that chronograph, funny enough. Roman numeral style increment system, and fully luminous hands with a date dial just in between 4 and 5 PM. And I think there's a seconds counter down here as well. I'm not sure, we can test that out now actually, see what that is. Yep, so you've got a seconds counter just down the bottom there. A nice clicking chronograph as well. Good, it feels a little bit cheap on the feedback, but it's a nice spin back function, nice and quick. It's really nice to see. You've got it's a plain black dial with a sunray gold style detailing system going around the entire of those increments and dials there. Even the date function's got a surrounded gold bezel. Inside the face, it's just got that sort of jet black style finish with the dash system going around the entirety of the face. Coming out to the bezel, we've got a sort of a jet black style ring with gold detailing just in the top of it. This watch is waterproof to 100 metres. If you ever wants to go swimming in it, I think you'll be able to. Coming down to the casing and the buttons, you've got the casing, got a full jet black stainless steel finish with a chrome gold plated finish on those buttons and crown. Consistent going all the way around the whole bezel as well, 2 layers to the bezel. Double position pop out crown, nice strong movement to the actual mechanism when you're turning it around. Let's move that to the first position so you can see it. Can't get it out to the first position. There we go. Requires a little bit of turning just to make that turn around the actual dial. So coming down to the strap. The strap is a 24mm lug width strap, full rubber as well. The watch comes with a 3-year warranty as well when you buy it from Amazon, I believe. Nice thick window system here with a nice gold plated buckle here with that Bulova print in the top there. Huge thick holders as well to hold that strap in place on your wrist. Overall, it's well made in my mind. It's nice and smooth. It seems to be the strap size complements the face of the watch nicely in terms of its size. Coming to the back plate, full Bulova printed back plate there with just a little bit more information about the specs of the watch on the back as well. So there we go guys, that is the Bulova Marine Star.